वन्दे गुरो श्रीचरणारविन्दम्
वन्दे गुरो श्रीचरणारविन्दम्। श्रीमते भक्ति वैभव पुरी गोस्वामी नामिने।
Hariyali means very green. How Vrindavan is looking beautiful, that is full of green. Oh Ali means in Ali means Sakhi. कैसे छाई हरि आली आली कुंजन में. Oh Sakhi, you see the kunjas. Kunja means group in Vrindavan. So how beautiful the Vrindavan groups are looking, and in that group how Radha Govinda are looking beautiful, and how they are singing, and how Vrindavan is looking very beautiful, full of green. This is first line of song. Then second line you see. Itta नंद को दुलार, इत्त नंद को दुलार, उत्त भानु की दुलारी. ओके, इत्त नंद को दुलार, उत भानु की दुलारी. सेकंड लाइन, जोड़ी लागे अति प्यारी, बसी नए नन में. जोड़ी लागे अति प्यारी, बसी नए नन में. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू चैन. इत्ते नंद के दुलार, उत भानु की दुलारी. इत्ते नंद के दुलार, उत भानु की दुलारी. इत्ते नंद के दुलार, उत भानु की दुलारी. जोड़ी लागे अति प्यारी, बसी नए नाना में. जोड़ी लागे अति प्यारी, बस नए नाना में. झूला झूले राधा गोविंद वृंदावन में. झूला झूले राधा गोविंद वृंदावन में. Understand the meaning? It means this side. This side means left side. In left side who is? Nanda ko Dullar. Nanda ko means of Nanda Maharaj. Dullar means son. So this side, the estolado, the estolado, iha de Nanda Maharaj. Iho, estelado, the estelado, iho de Nanda Maharaj. And uttu means that side, the akelado, the akelado, iha de Brusabhanu Maharaj. So that side is the daughter of Brusabhanu Maharaj, who is Radharani. So this side is who are swinging in the swing. Left side is, but you according to song you tell. You have to speak according to the pronoun and adjective. So it is not mentioned that direct Krishna, and not mentioned like direct Radharani. So you have to speak. This side is swinging, left side is swinging the son of Nanda Maharaj, that is Krishna, and right side is daughter of Bhanu. Bhanu means to make the song there is some rule. So according to words you have to adjust it. So Bhanu means Brusabhanu. Left side is son of Nanda Maharaj Krishna, right side is daughter of Brusabhanu Maharaj Radharani. Then Jodi. Jodi means the couple, means both Radha and Krishna. Lage means looking. Ati means very. Pyari means very beautiful. So when Radha Krishna are swinging in the swing, then they are looking very beautiful. And Sakhi telling, Basi means they are sitting. Where? In my Nayanan mein, in my eyes. So Sakhis are telling, one Sakhi telling, oh Sakhis, the son of Nanda Maharaj Krishna, the daughter of Vrishabhanu Maharaj Radharani, when they are swinging in the swing, they are looking so beautiful and they set in my eyes that I cannot close my eyes. They are so attractive that my eyelids are not going down. This you should realize and feel. And this while swinging, this happiness is not coming. Then till now, till what time this happiness is not coming, then you should think that till that time there is offense. So you need more association, more bhajan, chanting to purify the mind and heart and to make the soul transparent. Because at purified stage, this happiness will come. And all gopis are eternally liberated and completely pure. So they are realizing and releasing this happiness while swinging. But how we are realizing and releasing the sweetness, we know. So everybody knows inside you. So according to the happiness, the heart is that quantity of purification. Because in impure heart, no possible to melt the heart and to release the sweetness. Because offense and coverage of previous lives bad deeds will not allow to release the sweetness. Then we need to clarification and we need to purify. So that is why our destination is this service. So everyone's destination is to go to Golok Vrindavan to attain Radha Krishna's service. Among different services of Radha Krishna, one service is swing service. So that is our destination. And that to attain this service, many scriptures manifested. And Krishna sending different devotees to teach how to go to Golok Vrindavan and attain this service. And even he is coming himself in the form of gurus. For what? To give this knowledge and how to attain this service. So when our heart, mind, body will be purified and completely become pure, then we will feel transcendental bliss. After only looking to Radha Krishna, then what to speak about doing the service. That is why purification is necessary. And purification will happen only by association of sadhus, listening the glories of Radha Krishna from their lotus mouth, doing the service of Vaishnavas and sadhus, and chanting Lord's name. As more and more we will practice this, then our mind, heart and soul will be more cleansed and purified. So when it will be purified, we will release the same sweetness, we will release the same happiness. All the swing of Radha Govinda here. Yes, because there is no difference between Radha Govinda and the Diti Radha Govinda. There is no difference between the Diti and the transcendental name and Radha Govinda. Three are same. But in modern world, due to contamination, it is not easy to realize these three are same. And it needs practice, association and listening. So, but in Vrindavan, all gopis they releasing this sweetness extremely. So gopis is chanting, इत नंद को दुलारो तो भानु की दुलारी, इत नंद को दुलारो तो भानु की दुलारी, जोड़ी लागे अति प्यारी बसी नयन में, जोड़ी लागे अति प्यारी बस नयन में, झूला झूले राधा गोविंद वृंदावन में, झूला झूले राधा गोविंद वृंदावन में. Then third step you write, जमुना के कुल पहरी सुरंग दुकुल, जमुना के कुल पहरी सुरंग दुकुल, कैसे खिल रहे हैं, खिल रहे फूल आली कदमन में, कैसे खिल रहे फूल आली कदमन में. रेडी? जमुना के कुल परी सुरंग दुकुल, जमुना के कुल परी सुरंग दुकुल, कैसे खिल रहे फूल आली कदमन में, कैसे खिल रहे फूल आली कदमन में, झूला झूले राधा गोविंद वृंदावन में, झूला झूले राधा गोविंद वृंदावन में. जमुना के of Jamuna, cool on the bank. So Jamuna ke cool means on the bank of Jamuna. So where Radha Govinda are swinging,